Hey everyone, welcome back to the 21 days Python challenge. So in today's video we are going to learn about operators in Python. So now first of all, what exactly is an operator? So think of operators as symbols that perform operations on values or variables. For example, if you want to add two numbers, so you use plus symbol, so that plus symbol is an operator. So Python has different types of operator, and today we will cover the ones you will use most of them. So first is the arithmetic operator. So these are used to perform mathematical operations. That is, for example, I will show a plus b, then a minus b, then a multiply by b, then a divide by. So for division we use this slash symbol, a divide by b. Then floor division. For floor division, a double slash b. Then we use modulus, a percent sign b, comma, we use exponential. So for exponential, a star star b. So these are some examples of an arithmetic operator. Now the second operator is the comparison operator. So this operator compares two values and always return only true or false for the comparison value. So there are some examples. Those are a equal to b, or a not equal to b, a greater than b, or a less than b. There is one more, like a if greater than equal to b, and if a is less than equal to b. So these are some comparison operators. So what we need to do, at first initially we need to declare one variable with value a equal to, give some value, for example 10. Then similarly give value for b equal to 20. Okay, so once you declare those values, you can print this a like all these operators, you can print it and check for the output whichever we have given, like a equal to b, a not equal to b. If it will give the output in the true or false format. Now the third is the logical operator. Logical operators. So logical operators combine multiple conditions. So there are only three logical operators, that are AND, OR, and NOT. So these are nothing but logical operators: AND, OR, and NOT. These are some logical operators which we can use in the code. Then we have assignment operators. So in assignment operators, these operators assign values to variables. So instead of writing, like for example, instead of writing x equal to x plus 5, we can write it as x plus equal to 5. So it is much cleaner and commonly used in the project. So these operators assign values to variables. For example, there is one more, like there are some others as well, operators like x minus equal to 5, x multiply equal to 5. So this is how you can use this operator and assign value to the variable. So next is nothing but the membership operator. Fifth operator is the membership operators. So membership operators usually check whether a value exists inside a collection. So there are only two membership operators. Those are nothing but in and not in. If there is if the value is there in the collection or value is not in the collection. So these are some operators. These are 5 operators, membership operator. We have one more operator, that is 6th operator, identity operators. So in identity operators, this operator usually checks whether two variables refer to the same object in the memory. So they are is and is not, and it always gives output format in the true or false value. So this is one of the most commonly asked interview questions, like we like it compares memory location and equal to compares the values. So even though A and B have the same values, they are like different operators. So we will take few more interview questions, like what is the difference between slash and double slash. So slash returns the remainder, whereas double slash returns the quotient without the decimal part. So like returns slash returns the normal division, and this slash returns the normal division, and double slash returns like it returns the floor division. It returns the floor division by removing the decimal part. Then just now we took one example, like what is the difference between equal to and is. So equal to compares the value, and is compares whether two variables point to the same object in the memory. Like it checks if it points to the same object in the memory, and equal to compares the value. So these are few examples, like what interviewer may ask in the interview. Then you can also be asked, like, name the 3 logical operators in Python. So those are logical operators are nothing but and, or, and not. Then similarly there can be some other questions as well, like which operator is used to check whether an element exists in a list. So that is the in operator. From like for example, we can check if apple is in fruits, like apple in fruits is there or not. So for that purpose we can use the in operator. So these are some examples of the operators, and 6 operators we have in the Python. So you can go through, and later we can discuss some course on these operators as well. So for now, please do like, share and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you.